How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, and right now we're on the website of CreditScoreIQ, and I will put a link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this source. Now, has your credit taken a hit? That's a good question to ask yourself. But right now, you can stop feeling that pain of a poor credit score and take advantage of CreditScoreIQ, because your future is really waiting for you. Poor credit can impact almost every aspect of your life, whether it's vehicle insurance, whether it's the premiums you pay, of course, of other types of insurances. It impacts jobs. There's a whole lot of things that credit can impact. So do your future self a favor and start improving your financial health today, because when it comes to CreditScoreIQ, what you're going to be equipped with is disputing made easy. So you're going to have access to the disputing software where you can dispute items that are negatively impacting your credit. And guess what? Disputing does not harm your credit score. 1 in 3 people have inaccuracies on their credit report, so it's more common than people actually realize. And look here, 20-point increase in 1 month. You may be able to increase your credit score by at least 20 points in 30 days. 60% of people were able to have inaccuracies corrected after filing a dispute. Folks, this is powerful. And guess what? You can get started today for $29.99 per month. You get all the tools so you can take control and take action to build your credit on your time at your pace. So no more hiring expensive credit repair companies, because anything a credit repair company can do, you can do for yourself, folks. Again, you will get access to the Dispute Hub, all right? And then you can take advantage of disputing these items that are negatively impacting your credit. Again, I will put the link in the description for the video. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Have a good one.